With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
A bag contains 7 white, 5 black, and 4 red balls. 4 balls are drawn without replacement. Find the probability that at least 3 balls are black. So we have bag contains, what is the given, that 7 white, 5 black, and 4 red balls. Then P, probability at least 3 are black. We have to find out. Now probability of exactly 3 black plus probability of all 4 black. Now put the values, that is 11 upon 16. 7, 5, 4, the addition of all of them will be 16. Multiply by 5 by 15. Multiply by 4 by 14. 3 by 13 into 4. And there is a condition, 4 balls are drawn without replacement. So 16, 15, 14, 13. Then addition of 5 by 16, 4 by 15, 14, 3, 2 by 13. Now simplify that. Then we got 11 multiply by 1 by 14 multiply by 1 by 13 plus 1 by 4 into 1 by 7 into 1 by 13. Now if you solve this term, we got 11 by 182. If you solve this term, then we got 1 by 364. The multiplication of 4, 7 and 13, that is 364. The multiplication of 1, 1, 1, we got 1. Then we have to add, that is 364, we got 22. 11 multiplied by 2, 22. 364 multiply 1, then 23 upon 364 is the answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.